Hello everyone. So if you're still staying with me, that means you really like this song. So after that lick of doom, that picking lick of doom, we're moving on into the, well actually let me combine what we just did for you, what I just did for you, alright, so the whole thing slower, that picking lick. So that's basically the whole thing, slightly faster. So when I play fast, when I pick fast, my touch is actually very light. I angle the pick, and I don't really dig. My pick kind of stays on the surface. All right, I don't dig really deep, otherwise I would get stuck. So I stay really relaxed. I try to use gravity as much as possible when I do it down, you know. So one more time. All right. So that is the picking lick of doom. Okay, moving on. After that, so you have this pattern. So we're in G sharp minor. So 15. 1, 2, 4 fingers, and then that's the D sharp, so 16. 1, 2, 4 again. All upstrokes. So that comes right after this. All right. So don't worry, I'll connect everything for you later on. And then beat 1 of this lick. This is the pickup, beat 4, and then. That's the first beat, all right, and the second beat. All right, so far. Third beat. Just worry about the left hand first, all right, and then the next beat. And then you end with this. So basically, you stop the string with your pick, and then on your left hand, you gradually push that up. So sorry, not gradually up. For this case, is 3 note here, and then you bend up. It's a pre-bend. All right, so slowly. Connected. All right, so up to speed. And if you connect that with the previous picking lick of doom, it would sound something like this. All right, here we go. All right. Okay, I think I did that pretty well. All right, so that's rare. All right, so that's the end of this section, and we'll move on in the next one, in the next video. All right.